Throwing grenades?
We were all hitting the wrong button.
You got this. You're gonna get good at sniping. I'll put you on like a holy crap sniping match. Oh, you got him! You got him!
Bitch!
Get him!
What the fuck? Why is it?
Enemy spy plane
I didn't kill him either, did I? How is that possible? How is that possible? Dude, take your time, like you're lining up. Shoot him!
Get out of there! God damn it!
Give him the old backdoor surprise. Yeah.